Antarctica looks beautiful from a distance, but it may be one of the most hostile places on Earth. Up close, the cold is not just uncomfortable, it is decisive. Temperatures can plunge below -60, where exposed skin freezes fast and small mistakes turn lethal. Then there is isolation. No cities, no roads, just a few research stations scattered across a continent of ice. When planes leave for winter, help can be months away. The air itself fights you. Antarctica's Katabatic winds pour downhill under their own weight, blasting snow sideways and erasing the horizon. For half the year, the sun disappears. Darkness stretches for months, warping sleep, time, and morale. And beneath your boots, the ground is not ground at all. Ice shifts, cracks, and hides deep crevasses under perfect white calm. Here's the twist. Antarctica is technically a desert, receiving almost no precipitation. Antarctica is terrifying because it is silent, beautiful, and completely unforgiving. So what extreme environment pushes humans closer to the edge next?